At the senior level, students can choose from the following English studies: English, English language, or literature. They are allowed to choose 2 from the 3 English studies. In English, students respond to texts analytically and creatively, and this allows for a range of writing styles to be explored. They will also be able to analyse how argument and persuasive language can be used to position audiences, and they will create their own texts intended to position audiences. Students will also compare the presentation of ideas, issues and themes in a number of texts. They will identify and analyse how argument and persuasive language are used in texts that attempt to influence an audience, and they will create a text which presents a point of view. In English language, students consider the way language is organised so that its users have the means to make sense of their experiences and to interact with others. They study the subsystems of language, including phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics and discourse, and they will utilise them in all units of the course. Students also study how children acquire language and examine the acquisition of additional languages in children and adults. Later, students will study the origins of the English language and consider the factors that have contributed to change over time. They will also explore the effects of the global spread of the English language and investigate the development and decline of languages as a result of its contact. In literature, students respond to a range of texts and reflect on influences shaping these responses. They analyse the ways in which a selected text reflects or comments on the ideas and concerns of individuals and particular groups in society. Students will respond critically and creatively to the ways a text from a past era comments on the ideas and concerns of individuals and groups in that context. Finally, they will consider the dialogic nature of texts and how they might influence each other.